Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It's good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. And as you know, this is the Extra Step CEO YouTube channel where I share tips on how to grow your business. I share business ideas. I also share and review platforms, products and software that has helped me thus far in my entrepreneurship journey, being a new entrepreneur myself. Does this sound interesting to you and you want to be part of the Extra Step CEO community? Okay, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always know and you would come over to watch, comment and share. And to all my existing subscribers, you are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for the emails, because these emails helps me in creating my content. So this is a continuation of my previous upload where I talked about platforms where you could take courses that can enhance your skills. In this video today, I'll be sharing more platforms that you... Let's go right into the video. I just wanted to know that as much as these platforms are, they're all good. As in, you could take courses that can enhance your skills like photography, video editing. You have all of them on this platform. I am not recommending particularly that, oh, it is Skillshare that you should do, it is Udemy that you should do. I want you to go to their website, read about them, look at the courses that works very good for you. There are some free courses that you could just take just for starters and know, oh, if this is applicable, if it is useful, if it's something you really need. That's why, and they have some free trials too, so they don't just say, oh, come pay. And some have money back guarantee. So you have all this at your disposal. Let's make use of it. There are so many skills in us that we have to improve on, just to know, okay, what's the commercial value of these skills that I've got? How can I implement it? How can I monetize it? This is what these platforms are for, so that you improve more on them and you be a professional. So these are additional 4 platforms that you could go in for courses. Some are free, some are paid for, but most of them have free trial. You don't have to pay immediately. Just do your due diligence and be sure there are courses that would fit into your skills and that you're ready to give it time to learn, to practice and to implement all that you've learned. Like, these are money yielding avenues that we could apply ourselves to. Let's make use of these tools. They are something we would look back to and be grateful we did. Just take your time out, check their websites. I will leave the link to all these 4 platforms in the description box. Read very well about it, check the review. I always check the review, and there are so many other videos on YouTube that have done comparison reviews. I've done so many courses on lynda.com. I've done so many courses on Gale. So these are courses I can vouch for. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've not yet subscribed and you find this content very interesting and valuable, please subscribe, put on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch it. And please share. It's good to share information. Like, you really cannot appreciate the value until you get to implement it. So keep sharing, stay connected, and stay in touch. Thank you so much. Until I come again in the next one. Bye now.